We're gonna go see my last favorite room. I don't know, it's a competition between the master bedroom and this. Welcome to Living in Greenville, South Carolina. Come along with me as we take a look inside the Palmetto Cottage here at 210 Cannon Avenue. When you step inside, the whole world outside fades away. One of my favorite elements about this home now is this beautiful, huge, picturesque window. I forget the exact measurement of it, but it is really, really big. And if you look right up there into the city of Greer, you can see the top of the depot event space now that is so nicely done. And in the on the 4th of July night, you can actually see the fireworks right here, right from the comfort of your living room. This has been a wonderful property to live in, and it has been a fantastic Airbnb, a wonderful passive income I didn't really have to think about. I have a team in place to kind of handle it all, and she would be available to continue if that's something you're interested in. These double doors, look at this. So charming and so well built. These are original to the home, of course, with this archway. And there's another archway right here going into the kitchen. Now this hallway is bright and airy, and I have a scene of Greenville right there. Again, called the Palmetto Cottage for, of course, our state tree and the palmetto flag. Here you go. This is the dining space, as you can see. This is a very large room. Obviously, that used to be a back porch. Now it's a part of the heated and cooled square footage. It is a very nice sunroom that we absolutely adore. Now, straight ahead there, you can see what I call the vintage kitchen. This was actually remodeled by the lady that lived here before I purchased the property, the one that did the artwork there in the hallway. It's a really charming feel here in the kitchen with this vintage retro hardware from the mid-century. Home was built in 1960. Very well built, by the way. And one thing I didn't mention in there were the beautiful heart pine floors. Those are all the original ones. And then I'll show you another one here in the master in just a minute that was added a little bit later. Nice view here, there again, of the houses across the way. Now this is another house that has been redone since the ownership of my ownership here, and it's now an Airbnb property. So big open space in here. The archway again is just one of my favorite elements. Now let's head next into the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. This used to be an old carport. So there's actually cement floor under the base of this particular part of the home. And these hardwoods were added pretty soon after the house was built. Here is the gorgeous space that I think is just a haven. It sleeps so peacefully, so wonderfully in here. This is what we added in 2020. This is a very important part, and that is the ensuite. We added this as a second bathroom. It only had the one bathroom before. Of course, there's the echo of the palm tree again. Right here, you have a pocket door that obviously when you open it, here you are in the laundry that we also added. Now walking in through here, again, you see that beautiful archway, and we're going to go straight over there. The second bedroom here. This is the second guest bedroom. Then we go right here to the third bedroom. This is the large corner bedroom. It has ample space. This was actually my daughter's room when we lived here. This is something we added in 2020 as well, and I'm not going to open it here. I'm going to go around the door here into the hallway. So this is the hallway entrance to the second full bath. I'm going to close this and show how this can be a nice suite for the guests staying in this room. So it really is a nice feature here. We wanted to make it very easy and accessible. So this is the owner's closet. I have it locked right now, but that's where we keep supplies. We also added a brand new pull down staircase. That whole unit is new. We're gonna go see my last favorite room. I don't know, it's a competition between the master bedroom and this sunroom, but here we go. Now I want you to imagine that right there before was just a solid wall. There was no light, no window, nothing, just the two on either side. In 2020, we added the patio access, which has been a phenomenal addition. We just love it. As you can see, this used to be an old porch. So you had the old tile, the red, ruddy tile, you know, and so I've painted that. We painted the railing, and I have used this space as a sitting area, but when I lived here, I actually used it as a home office, and it was really fabulous. This is actually a real plant. That's my fiddle fig, I think it's called. It has done really great here. And this is the main entryway that we use the most, because you'll park under the carport there and then just come here, right in here to the door. A security panel for the security system. Let's take a look out here real quickly. It's rainy and kind of dreary, but it's okay. You got a nice big backyard. It's 0.19 acres. It feels much larger than that to me. This old building back here could be restored. It is in disrepair. It needs to be repaired, but I have a bunch of stuff in there right now, and it's very dry inside, which is good. The patio we poured, this is the 34-foot long by 8-foot wide here, and then 9-foot wide there patio space. So just wonderful, wonderful space.